Blanco, hello, hello. I think I got all of you. Aham, Hake, hello, good morning. Alright, I think I got all of you so far. How are you guys doing this beautiful morning of Saturday morning? I'm here. I got my coffee. That's good. That's good. I think the music is a little bit too loud. There you go. That's less. All right. So how's everyone doing today? Let me just do this. We're gonna get the video on the screen. This one. Then let's just adjust it so it fits the screen. Yeah, I think that's good enough. All right, so today we are gonna check out what Darrell Brooks has been into, because he had the final hearing, I think, before his trial that I believe it starts on Monday. He's got a lawyer now. Like, it's not an actual, like, he was not present on the thing, but he's got a lawyer now. So let's see how that goes for him. Which, like, you know what I think about that. Like, it's good that they're doing it, and that she's gonna Erica is gonna have some accountability, some justice for her specifically, because you just don't run over someone's foot and get away with it, you know. But first, before, I don't think they're gonna allow him to fire that attorney. I don't think he can. Like, basically, that's it. I don't believe they're gonna let him represent himself again. I think. I don't know. A lot of things can change between now and Monday. So before we get to that, while we wait for some more people to come to the stream, like, it's early in the morning, so I've been following a story. I don't know if you guys know about this, but it's about a DA that, let's say, she's been abusing. She seems to be abusing her power. She's from Ohio, I want to say. Let me check. I was watching that video like a little bit before this. Yeah, there we go. Monroe District Attorney Sandra Durley. Does everyone know about Sandra Durley? So what happened is that she was speeding. So the officer saw her speeding, and she believes that she doesn't need to worry about that. Like, let's start the video, and we're gonna go step by step. I don't think there's audio yet. By the way, how is my voice? Is my voice too loud? Is my voice okay? You guys hear me okay? There we go.
Sorry, I'm the DA.
Hello, Anna. Good afternoon.
55 and a 35.
I don't really care. So she doesn't care that she's speeding. She doesn't care if she hits someone, or I don't know. Speed limits are there for a reason, and I believe that she, as a DA, needs to respect that.
Okay. Can you please come over here? This is on a traffic stop, ma'am.
Yes, it is. You can call Dennis Kohlmeyer right now.
Okay. All right. So now she's trying to. Oh, my camera is blocking the view. I'm sorry. Let me take care of that. Move myself over here.
I'm telling you why I stopped you. You didn't stop at all. Did you not hear my lights or sirens or
No,
anything?
I didn't actually. I was on the phone.
Okay.
All right, now well, let's hear that again because I think that's really funny. Like, listen to this.
Yes, it is. You can call Dennis Kohlmeyer right now.
Okay. I'm telling you why I stopped you. You didn't stop at all. Did you not hear my lights or
Did you not hear my light? Like, I know that he means did you not hear my siren or something like that, but it was really funny to me when I hear that did you not hear my lights? And I'm like, what? Well, let's keep going.
sirens or
No, I
anything?
didn't actually. I was on the phone.
And now she denies hearing or seeing the lights. She was on the phone. Okay.
Okay. Well, you're not supposed to be on the phone while you're driving either.
Yes, I am with the hands free. Absolutely.
Okay.
And yeah, that's fair enough. She can be on the phone with the hands free. That's fine. That doesn't matter. Hello, Rendad.
Why are you so upset at me? I'm doing my job. You just admitted to me that you were going 55 and a 35 on
Can you
Phillips
please tell
Road.
him to leave me alone?
And now she's calling the chief of police. Like, she's on the phone right now with the chief of police, telling hello, Margie, telling the chief of police to tell this cop to leave her alone. So basically, to just get away, ignore that she was speeding. She admitted to being speed. So
It's
Officer Christopher,
Christopher.
can you stay over here, ma'am? This
No,
is a
I'm
traffic.
not
This is
staying
this
over
is a
here.
legal traffic stop. Do you have your ID?
No, it's in my purse. Here.
You have your purse right there.
No, this is my lunch. Would you talk to Dennis? This is ridiculous.
ridiculous.
Hello, sir. Good, ma'am. Can you please stay at the back?
Can
This
you
is a
stop?
ma'am. This is
This
legal
is
traffic stop. Can you please stay over?
And I also want to point out, like, say this is anyone else in that state. Say this is you and I speeding and getting into practically just trying to hide by getting to our home. You think that they will treat us this way? You think that the cops will give us this chance? This opportunity to be like, you know what? Just stay over here. And we'll be like, no, I'm not going to do that. They will just put us in handcuffs, right?
Over here,
No. Hey, baby, get your little guy out of here.
sir.
The dog is really cute, though. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the dog is cute.
I stopped her for going 55 and a 35 on Phillips
On
Road,
Phillips Road.
and
coming
she
home from
failed
work.
to stop. She drove all the way back home and parked in her garage. And now she's not complying with any of my commands. Ma'am, do not.
Hello, Tony. How's it going? Hello, Jess, and all the great people in just the chat. Nice to see everyone. I can stay too. Hey, nice. Thank you.
Not go inside.
Oh, we are gonna watch the apology. Don't worry.
Yep. All right. Ma'am, come outside. You can't
Yeah,
just go inside.
get out of
This
the
is a
house.
traffic
What are you
stop.
doing?
Here's your phone back.
I understand the law better than you. Would you just
953. Can you have a supervisor come to the scene?
leave me- No.
I understand the law better than you. That's why I am trying to get out of this ticket. Like, that's how the law works, right?
Get out of my fucking house. Here.
I don't know why you're acting like this towards me.
Because
Can you please go to the back of the vehicle?
I'm not going to. I'm home. Okay, 55.
I don't care if you got home. You were supposed to stop at Phillips Road when I pulled you over. When my lights were
I
initiated.
didn't know you were stopping me. There was lots of other people.
I like that. This now she says something really important. She says, "I didn't know if you were stopping me. There were other cars. Keep that in mind."
People on the road.
I was right behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah, there were other people on the road too.
So
Okay, I was directly behind
I'm
you.
not dealing with you right
Can
now.
you please step over here?
I'm not going to.
What is the reason you're so against what I'm doing? I'm doing my job.
Yeah.
You say you're a DA?
I am the DA.
Okay.
I am the DA. Like, I am the law.
Okay, let me get you my badge. I am the DA.
Who cares about your badge? No one cares about your badge. That doesn't matter. You were speeding. You admitted on camera that you were speeding. And this is one of the things that I love right now. Like I love that now we have these cameras to prove accountability, because in the past, if these cameras weren't there, the cop, they would have been, they would have called the cop and be like, just get away. Like, it doesn't matter. But I love that we have body cams now.
Of Monroe County.
I just don't understand the hostility towards me. I'm doing my job.
Yeah.
You're being an asshole.
How am I being an asshole?
I am the DA of Monroe County.
He's so
I
what?
understand that, but that doesn't give you a right to go 55 and a 35. And you even admitted to me that you went 50. I understand that, ma'am.
I don't really
I
care.
understand that.
You know what? If you give me a traffic ticket, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm the one who prosecutes it, okay? Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead.
So now she's saying that it doesn't matter if you give me a ticket. It's gonna disappear anyway.
Go ahead.
I just don't understand the hostility.
don't-
I understand
no,
you're
I don't
coming home
understand
from
why you're
work.
And half the time I was on the phone with Dennis telling him, why are you pulling me over?
All right. So now she's saying that she was on the phone with the chief of police asking him why the cop was stopping her. So that means that she knew that the cop behind her was following her. She remember when she said that I didn't know you were stopping me, there were other cars? Now she's saying that she was telling the chief of police, why is this guy stopping me? So that doesn't match.
You're not even supposed to be on the phone to begin with. You
Oh,
should
yes.
know that.
Oh, on hands-free? Absolutely.
Okay.
You should know the law.
Okay? If it is hands-free, that's great. But at the end of the day, you're going 55 and a 35. That's 20
Okay.
miles over the speed limit.
All right, Bob Keaton, I'm gonna throw out my red pants. I'm sorry.
Okay, you know what? That's fine. You know what I've been dealing with all day? 3 murders in the city. And
Who
do you
cares?
think I really care if I was going 20 miles over the speed limit?
Okay, I'm just doing my
I would
job.
get
If
in
you
front of
pulled
the-
if you pulled over when you saw my lights, which obviously you did,
I thought you were going somewhere else because I thought no one would ever pull a blackish.
Did you hear this? I thought you were pulling someone else. But before, like a minute before, she said that she was telling the chief of police, why is this guy stopping me?
SUV if you ran my plates.
I
If
didn't run
had-
your plate. I just called your plate out. And then I'm following you because you're not stopping. So I had to take the air from dispatch.
Just please.
Yeah, my brother-in-law is a cop, and he's nice.
953. You can have the air back, by the way. Just come outside over here.
No, I'm not going outside.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you just to leave.
I'm waiting for you to just leave. Like she thinks that she's getting away with this.
I'm having a supervisor come because that's what my chief told me to do.
Alright, so you're coming out with 5 minutes.
This is
Do you have your driver's license?
I just showed you my driver's
You show me your
No,
you
you
show me your
didn't.
badge.
You flashed your badge at her.
With EMS, a 14-year-old having a seizure, 200 East River Road, apartment 200 on the 3rd
Because
floor.
I was going 55. Up
Oh yeah, RW. Yeah, I remember that video. That Karen that wanted her daughter to get away with. It wasn't even an offense. They just had like expired plates, and she made it like a big deal, and she had to resign. I believe, if you ask me, I believe that this DA has to resign of her position. This is unacceptable. Like, if she's doing this right now, what else do you think she's doing? I don't. She lost she lost the trust in the eyes of the public.
10 for you can show me Juliet.
And I was
She's
just
part of
trying
it. She's
to,
the DA.
Yep, I know. And I was just trying to pull into my driveway. I was on
Okay.
the phone with Dennis Kohlmeyer saying, would you please tell the person who's following me that
Listen,
I'm almost home?
ma'am, I understand you were going home, but I started my lights back at Phillips Road.
Wait, on Phillips Road, yes,
Yes.
you did, and there are other cars.
I was right behind you, directly behind you. At the end,
Go ahead, like,
listen,
you wanna,
at the
like
end
I
of the
said,
day,
go ahead if you want to write me a traffic ticket, that's fine.
okay, at the end of
I
the
don't
day,
care.
at the end of the day, I was stopping you for speed. If you
I've
just
had a
stopped,
really bad day. I've been dealing with murders
and I get
in the
it,
city
and I
all
get
day.
it. We have bad
I'm
days
sorry,
also,
I'm
ma'am.
sorry, I'm sorry.
We have bad days also.
Hello, Cassandra. Good morning. And the funniest thing about this is that you think that she doesn't have the money to pay the ticket. Like if she will put it over on the others, if you would just stop I'm sure the cop would have been like, "Hello," and she'll be like, "Hey, I'm the DA," and she'll be like, "Okay, man, you were doing 55 on a 35. Just here's a warning. Be careful next time." And that would have been it. And she escalated to heaven.
I'm gonna just add it to the job real quick. You can just go and actually add it. You don't have to use the error. At the end of the day, I was just making a traffic stop, doing my job, what I was supposed to do.
Well, fine, thank you.
Okay? So now, supervisor's on his way, and then we'll go from there.
Supervisor's coming up here.
Huh?
Who?
Sergeant Johnson. I understand you had it. Like, I get it. We all have bad days at work.
And I'm going to go in the house. Seriously, this is ridiculous.
No, this is a traffic stop, and you, out of everyone, should know that if there's a legal traffic stop, which I have the right to detain you until this is done.
Thank you, thank you for saying that. She should know that.
Just write me the fucking ticket. I really don't care.
Okay. Well, then just hang out at the back of the car.
Because I'm the one that's going to prosecute myself. You know what I'll do with the ticket?
And there, she just admitted that she's gonna get rid of the ticket using her power. That sentence right there, she should have been fired, or she should have resigned. Like one of the two.
Okay, just come out here for me and just stand.
I'm not walking out there. I'm not. Hey, baby, right? He's a good boy.
The dog is really cute, though. Look at that. Ah.
Corey, you just want to stand up here.
Alright, so the next thing, they just keep going at it.
Yeah, as long as it's added to the job. Sarge on his way.
Then
Exactly, that she was going 55 and a 20. Or a 35.
the supervisor gets there. Let's see what he says to her.
So it's like, I don't care just writing her the speeding ticket and being done with it, but technically it's arrestable.
My dog's name is Rory. She's over there. She's on the bed.
Well, offense that she didn't stop.
Alright, let's hear.
I'll be stepping out at 293 Taft Ave on this. Check for my missing person.
Assumed that when I pulled in that most of Western PD knows over here. Right?
Yeah, and basically that's it. Like they told her, you are the DA, you should know better. They write the ticket, and that's basically it. But after this came to light, then she posted an apology. And let me see if I can get the full apology, because there are some videos on YouTube that cut some stuff. And the Darrell apology. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. Is it? No. Is this the one that I saw? Let's see. There we go. Let's hear this.
Last Monday, I failed you and the standards that I hold myself to, and for that, I am so sorry. What I did was wrong, no excuses. I take full responsibility for my actions.
So far, so good. Okay, she made a mistake, and she's owning it. All right. So far, so good.
I fell short of the values I've held for my entire 33-year career. I didn't treat this officer with the respect that he deserved. All police officers deserve respect. I am truly and sincerely sorry. I had just come from work.
And now, the thing that she said, that right now, if you read between the lines, she's just saying that she's sorry for disrespecting the officer. But that's not all that she did. She's not apologizing for basically abusing her power. So let's continue.
I was dealing with 3 homicides that occurred over the weekend.
Who cares? That doesn't have anything to do with that.
I watched a video where an innocent cab driver was executed, and I was still reeling from a frightening medical concern that my husband received that afternoon. But we all have bad days and stress, and it was wrong for me to take it out on an officer who was simply doing his job.
And again, she's just apologizing for her attitude to the officer.
While I previously apologized to him, I will say it again. I'm sorry. Police already have a tough job, and that day I made this officer's job harder. To the community, I owe you full transparency. Here's what I'm doing to hold myself accountable. First, I already pled guilty to the speeding ticket, and I will willingly pay the fine. Next, I'm referring.
You hear the tone, and she said that when she said that she was gonna pay the fine. Let's hear that again.
Pay the fine. Next, to the speeding ticket, and I will willingly pay the fine.
Like she's saying, I will willingly pay the fine. Like I don't care. I have the money to pay the fine. Whatever. That's the vibe that I'm getting from her. Like she's annoyed that she even has to pay the fine.
Next, I'm referring the entire matter to a district attorney from another county for review and will fully cooperate with that investigation.
Like I want to know whose DA is handling that, because he needs to put her in jail for or giving charges of resisting, at least.
I'm going to self-report this incident to the grievance committee, and I will cooperate with their investigation.
I don't know who that is, but hopefully they get her out. Like she needs to be kicked out.
Finally, if one of my assistant district attorneys had acted this way...
No. If any of your assistant attorneys would have acted this way, they would have been fired. Like I have no doubt in my mind that they would have kept their jobs after that if they were a lesser employee.
I would have disciplined them, so I'm disciplining myself. I will take ethics training to remind myself that professionalism matters. I've been humbled by my own stupidity, and I am fully to blame. I will make this right. I ask for your forgiveness.
All right, so that was her apology. Now let's see how the public took this apology, and let's see if they apologize to her. So right now we're gonna go. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can do it in an incognito window. Yeah, I don't wanna dox myself with my Facebook. So we're gonna go to Sandra Durley's Facebook. It's not her personal Facebook. This is her work Facebook. And let's see if I can put this on camera. No. Okay. 1 second. Again, this is not her personal Facebook. This is her work Facebook, basically. There you go. Now she's posting this. Well, they're her normal things. Like she posted this on Rochester Mornings, convicted 37-year-old. But we're gonna see the comments. Okay. That says, you apologize because you were caught on camera, otherwise I'm sure you've done it before, and I'm sure you've done it again. Forgive us if it rings a little hollow. Yeah, I agree. Your sincere apology was a joke. That's entitled and corrupt Karen. The only apology that we'll take is your resignation. The second you say, I prosecute myself, was the minute you remembered for the rest of your life, and we the people, no thank you for your service. Lost all credibility, resign immediately, worst apology ever, Sandra should have been fired. Like, you know, that was the thing. Like, she lost credibility. She lost all the goodwill with the people that was with her. So, in my opinion, she needs to resign. In my opinion, and that's just what I think. She needs to resign. But that's up to her, I guess. I mean, no one can tell her to resign. Okay, no. So how do I come back to my? Oh, there you go. Yeah, you cannot avoid this. Like, imagine if she or anyone that's below her has to prosecute a traffic ticket, and they resist it. They will be like, the DA did it, and she only got away with an apology. Why can't I go away with an apology as well? Like, you're the example for people. All right. With that said, let's go back to let's get into the main event. What everyone's here for. Let's get into Darrell Brooks and his first appearance on this new trial that he has coming up. I believe it's Monday. So let me just pull the video up. Where was it? Here, and copy link. Then we paste it over here. No, that's not it.
Statement and Mr. Tobin.
Oh, all right. All right, so how's the video? The video's fine. Let me move myself back to my original's position. There you go. Now, I don't know why they keep dragging him in a wheelchair. They did that as well while he was in the other trial. So, but it seems that he gave up on trying to conceal his identity by cutting his hair. You guys remember that when he asked the police officer that if she ever saw him cut his hair, like, can it really be me if you never see me cut my hair? But yeah, that Bob Keaton, that's fair. I believe that's it's easier to move him around. So let's get into it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
And again, he's trying to be cute with the judge. Like, did you hear that? He was like, "Hey, judge," and the judge was like, "Hi." He got another female judge, which I think he's gonna hate that. We know that he doesn't do well with women. There's no audio right now. Or did I do something? Why am not getting audio now? I think we're off the record, that's why there's no audio. And then let's just silence. And here we go.
Darrell Brooks, 21 CF 4596, 21 CF 502. Appearances?
Matthew Tarbinson and Shelley Grosso appear for the state. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Attorney Russell Jones on behalf of Mr. Brooks. Mr. Brooks appears in person. I appear via Zoom. Good afternoon, Judge.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody.
We cannot. There's no more. I'm the representative in this case. I accept for value. Return. We don't get to hear that anymore. That's sad. Look at his face. Look at this face. He's like, well, I'm here.
When Mr. Brooks first got here, my deputies alerted us to the fact that he wanted to speak with Mr. Jones. Given the fact that Mr. Jones is via Zoom and Mr. Brooks is here in person, the way we accommodated that was everyone left the courtroom, including the spectators in the gallery, the person who is here filming for the media, and obviously all the parties and my staff, except for the deputies for security.
So that's why we didn't have audio there. He requested talking with his lawyer, so everyone had to leave. and we were just watching the little painting.
Reasons, of course, they had to stay with Mr. Brooks. So I allowed them to have a conversation. I wasn't paying attention to how much time it was. It might have been, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. I allowed Mr. Brooks to have that conversation with Mr. Jones. And then after Mr. Jones alerted the lawyers, I think, and my deputies alerted us, we all came back in. Is that correct, Mr. Jones?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so we are here for, it was supposed to be a motion hearing and a final pretrial on these matters. They are set for trial on Monday, May 6th, so that's just a couple days from now. At our last date on January 18th, the state indicated they thought they would be filing an amended information and an other acts motion. The defense also thought they may have been filing some motions, so we set this for about 90 minutes. I set deadlines for that all motions were to be filed by March 22nd and April 19th for the responses. I will note that nothing has been filed from either side as far as any substantive motions. Motions in limine were filed.
The thing, B. Blanco, is that he doesn't even have a cellmate now. He's in Supermax, so he's by himself.
I just believe by the defense. And they appeared to be standard. So there is nothing to proceed on as far as any substantive motions. Do we remain in a trial posture, Mr. Jones?
We do, Judge. And with respect to the motion filings, we were anticipating potentially the state filing, and it would have been a response to their other acts. Presumably, they're not seeking that since they didn't file that. So that's why we had nothing else to file other than our standard motions.
Okay. And nothing.
All right, so nothing else to file, but they still want a trial.
From the state?
Correct. I anticipate filing another acts motion. I thought about it. The prejudice hurdle would be extraordinarily high in this particular case. And when I gave it more thought...
Don't do this. Please, you are in court. You are working. Come on. I mean, I don't know these lawyers. This is the first time that I see this lawyer. But please don't ever do this. This is not, I don't know. How you guys feel about this? I think this is unprofessional.
The state didn't anticipate using that other acts because of the prejudicial nature of those other acts unless there was a defense that triggered the high amount of relevancy to those other acts. And I think that would just as likely happen if the door is potentially opened by one of those defenses being argued in this particular trial. And so rather than file the motion, if the defense becomes that this is an accident or some sort, then I may raise the issue at that point. So, but I did not file another acts motion. That's correct.
Okay. All right. So we'll deal with those issues if they arise during trial. Maybe they won't. So obviously, we have some special issues associated with this case. Jury selection is going to be our biggest hurdle. What I have thought, just on my own, and I don't know if the parties have thought about this, I don't know if anybody would think that a court trial would be a preferable way to go to avoid any of those potential issues that would arise with having a jury and trying to seat a jury with a case that has not, this case is not notorious, but certainly Mr. Brooks's other case is notorious. And we certainly will do our best to seat a fair and impartial jury. But that's just off the top of my head. I think that might be the best way, but of course, Mr. Brooks, that is ultimately his decision on whether it would be a court trial or a jury trial. So I just throw that out there. Nobody's requested that at this point. There has been a request for a jury trial, so we will plan on that. But it is just some food for thought that it may be a way to allow for evidence to be presented without the potential tangential issues that would arise with a jury. So that's just something to think about. In addition to that, if I'm going to go with on the assumption at this point that we are having a jury trial, I have not prepared any written information, I will prepare that over the weekend and give it to the parties, and we can certainly talk about it. But I think we have to address it. No one is going to pretend that we're going to introduce Mr. Brooks and no one's going to know who he is.
Yeah.
So obviously it's not going to be, one of the standard questions I asked during voir dire is, has anyone heard anything about this case or about this defendant or had any opinion as to anything? That may foreclose us from seating any of the people that we bring in for voir dire right off the bat, because it was a big deal. The Waukesha case was a big deal. So I will prepare something. Do the parties have thoughts? Or do you want to prepare something as well, and we can kind of put something together as far as a preliminary statement to the jurors? I mean, obviously advising them that this needs to be, you will only judge this case on this evidence, and, asking those questions if they can be fair and impartial and put out of their minds anything that they may know about Mr. Brooks. Each side can submit something if they would like. I'm kicking myself that I didn't think to tell everybody to do this ahead of today's date, so we could have worked it out this afternoon rather than doing it on Monday, but that was my error. I probably should have thought of that, and I did not. So if the parties want to do that, they can do that. I will have some language that I work up as well to address that.
So basically what she's saying is that since hey, nice. Hello, KG. What she's saying is that his previous case was so big that everyone knows about Darrell Brooks. Everyone knows that he's guilty. Everyone knows about him, basically. So she's proposing that they don't have a jury trial, that they can just have a court trial. They'll present the evidence, and she decides if it isn't a thing. She's gonna be impartial, basically. So, because all the people that they interview are kind of gonna be biased against him. I don't think anyone is going to be pro Darrell Brooks.
Other than that, I just talked with a sergeant from the sheriff's department.
Hello, Latoya. Good morning.
In the past, Mr. Brooks has been transported directly here and not really held in the jail, even as a waiting position, until he's brought directly to court. And then generally he's whisked away. I don't know what their plan is. I've got some concerns that if we're going to be in trial, I don't know what the situation would be in the jail, but I have alerted a sergeant in the sheriff's department to my concerns to make sure that Mr. Brooks is going to be here every morning for trial, that we're not going to end up with him being housed somewhere else. But
hello, Miss Santana. Good morning.
I don't know that's not something that I get involved in generally. I did just want to put it on someone's radar to make sure that we have no delays when it comes to that. Is there anything that, I think your motions in limine were pretty standard, Mr. Jones. So you've both tried many cases in front of me. Everybody knows generally how I run things and how things work. So I think they're standard motions in limine, so they were along with the rules of how I do things. Does the state have anything they want to specifically address on the record this afternoon?
Your Honor, the only thing that I want to address is I do anticipate filing an amended information. I have, for a long time, been very clear that if this proceeded to trial, that I would file charges of intimidation based on the calls that were made on particular days. And so I anticipate having a total of 6 charges for intimidation of a victim in the amended information. I will get that filed as soon as possible, but I have explained that both to Attorney Jones. I've explained that to previous counsel numerous times in communications on this case. I don't think that's a surprise to anybody. I think on the charge in the underlying domestic violence case, we are going to be proceeding on amended charge of first-degree recklessly endangering safety rather than second-degree recklessly endangering safety. So we will have those charges amended, and if the court wishes, I can prepare the jury instructions over the weekend.
All right, so they're gonna go full on reckless endangerment and 6 charges of intimidation. Yikes! So he's looking at another 15 years for the reckless endangerment, and I don't know how much is that. You don't miss that much. We watched some videos before. I know some people can get here at the beginning of the stream, so I played a video before. But you can go back later and watch that video. It's really interesting. Washer and dryer in the office. That's nice.
That helps with regards to the charges.
Okay.
And then my only other question is, would the court prefer having information with both cases joined in a single information, or having two informations with two cases? I can prepare it either way.
That is a CCAP protect issue that is above my pay grade.
Okay.
I think they probably need to be filed in each case. I'm looking at the back of my clerk's head, and she's indicating, yes, that would be better. So separate, for the separate cases. Mr. Jones, do you want to be heard as to what Mr. Torbensen's statements or your own issues?
Yeah, let me respond to Mr. Torbensen first, then I have a few things I'd like to address. Mr. Torbensen indicated if it does not resolve with a plea, he would file an amended information and bring all the charges he thinks that he can prove, and that's not news to me, and it's not news to prior counsel. I have requested for Mr. Torbensen, I know I have it in writing somewhere, but I've made a request of him to put his offer in writing because Mr. Brooks wants it in writing in an email, so you could just send me one today with that discussion. Mr. Brooks had some issues with potentially discovery at Boscobel. I'm going to provide him written or all paper discovery that I physically can get my hands on and give it to him also Monday, even though we sent it to him back in March. And I'm not saying Mr. Brooks is wrong. I'm sure the institution may have lost it, but we can deal with that. I have it all. I'm prepared. The one request, I only have two requests. Number one, I think given the nature of this and the panel and the background, it would make sense if we started maybe at 9 o'clock. I have two quick appearances at 8:15 and 8:30 that I'd like to clear off. If we come in at 9, obviously I think if the three of us get together and decide how to deal with a joint statement, and I would prefer it to be issued by the court rather than the state or me, I think we could accomplish that in probably about a half an hour's time. The other thing I'm going to make this request, and I don't know how much the court has the authority to do this other than that you can make a request to the jail, but your request would probably be received better than mine, even though I've made inquiries. I know, or at least I've learned now, Mr. Brooks might be moving back and forth to the institution. I understand we can't control that. If at the end of every day of trial, I can have a deputy keep him in the bullpen for some period of time, half an hour, so I can at least meet with him in the bullpen, or if we can break at 4:30, so we can have someone till 5 o'clock, so I can have some time with Mr. Brooks after each day of trial. It may not be needed. I might say, hey, today that we don't need it, but I'd like that little bit of cushion because he's going to be physically removed, and I won't have the opportunity to do that. So maybe we break a little bit earlier than we normally would, so I would have that on days I might need it. Just sort of thinking ahead.
Sure, I think we can accomplish that.
Yeah, this is all. This pre-hearing is all about logistics. Like it's not gonna be anything substantial right now. But yeah, let's catch up with chat. I need to get a new dryer. My dryer died on me, so I need to get a new one. This attorney is the same guy who got the Vising killer Jesse life with parole after 40 years. That he can, like, the thing about Darrell Brooks is that this trial is, if I'm sorry, but this trial is a waste of money and time, in my opinion, because he's already there for life. Nothing is gonna change with him for doing this trial. I believe that we are kind of just wasting time. If he's, let's say if he's innocent, let's say that, what changes? Nothing. He doesn't get time off. And now let's say he's guilty. Okay, they added 20 years to his sentence, which is already 1,000 years. I don't know, that's something that I don't it kind of, I feel like it's pointless. Like, I get the other side. I get that Erica wants some justice for what he did to her, but at this point, the guy is dirt in the ground, basically. So, what can you do to dirt on the ground? He's just gonna be there.
You know, because I want as much communication with Mr. Brooks, obviously, as
By the way, I would really appreciate if you guys give a like to the stream. That will help out a lot with bringing more people to the channel. So I will, if you did it, thank you. If you can help me doing it, I will appreciate it.
possible. But I understand I'm bound by the executive, or strike that, yeah, the executive branch and their whims.
Judge, it's probably too late for this as well, but I'm just taking in the size of your courtroom physically, and I'm wondering if there's any chance we could switch courtrooms just for jury selection even, because I imagine we're going to have a rather large panel for jury selection.
What I anticipated doing, and I think it probably is too late to plan a switch now. What I would anticipate is I can get 35 in. It's tight, but we can do it. So we can have 35 people in here.
Good morning, Marisol.
And then if we are able to, let's say, seat 8 out of the 35, we will put them back in our jury room and bring a fresh panel of 35 over and do it in that way. I don't have any idea how long this is going to take, given, as I said, the notoriousness of the Waukesha case. So I wouldn't want to guess that one of the bigger courtrooms is going to accommodate it and still doesn't, and have everybody move for those purposes. So I think we just kind of get as many as we can and then start with a new group. So it may take longer than usual, so we may do a couple process of picking a jury in piecemeal fashion. But we should be able to accomplish it in that way. I think if we do run into issues, that may be the best way. So what I'm hearing from everybody is Mr. Torbenson has offered to put together the jury instructions. I appreciate that. And we will all work on what our idea of a statement looks like as far as what to tell the jury about this case, and that it is only this case they are to determine. Not anything else they may know or heard or think or believe they know, or any judgments they've made. And we will question people about that specifically. It's not going to be a general run-of-the-mill, I assume you haven't heard anything about this. You haven't? Yeah.
Hello, Zephyr. Good morning. Yeah, he's like, he got the dreads on his head again, and I don't know how long they can allow them to have them. I wouldn't know that they can grow their hair longer than that.
So we will take it.
No. Hello, Quiet Neater. Good morning. He's not self-representing. His lawyer is in the Zoom call over here in the screen behind him. But no, he's not representing himself again.
Take it from there. So everybody's going to bring that statement, and Mr. Torbenson's going to do the jury instructions. Is there anything more from the defense?
Yeah, and Judge, I have a scheduled meeting with Mr. Brooks tomorrow at 2:30. Apparently that's not going to occur because he won't be at the jail. I'm efforting.
Why is he in a wheelchair? He's in a wheelchair apparently because it's easier to control him, to move him. Like, he's I don't know. That's what the people were saying in the chat, that he is it's easier to, yeah, that's how he rolls. Exactly, V Blanco. He likes, they see me rolling, they hating,
To get a meeting with him at his institution when we.
I don't know that for sure.
Well, Mr. Brooks is fairly confident of that. Either way, I've got the one set up at the jail. I'm going to try and set up the one at the institution, and hopefully, one of them occurs.
Okay.
And if he can be brought over at 8 a.m. even, I will try and get down there. I mean, I'm just saying, once he's in your bullpen, I think that's, a place that makes it easier for me to get to him. But we'll stay in communication and do what we can, I guess.
Okay. All right. Anything further from the state?
The only thing I want to add is that
all right. So we had some technical difficulties.
Anything further from the state?
The only thing I want to add is that I did tell the court and counsel and chambers I have a homicide case.
All right, so that they're not gonna put that on the record because that's different.
Trial has an emergency stay, and then he froze.
Right.
I think it's unlikely for the stay to be lifted, and this should be the case that can go on Monday.
Okay. All right. All right, then I think we just stand ready to go on Monday, barring something else happening. Mr. Brooks, I don't know where you're going to be, but I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Mr. Jones said.
All right, so that's it for the hearing. So the guy is back in court. I'm sure he's gonna do everything he can to be there so he can get out of jail basically and be another place. What I expect from this trial is just gonna be a clean 2-day, 3-day trial. That's it. This the defense is gonna call maybe 2 or 3 witnesses. The state is gonna present 2 or 3 witnesses. Then the state, the state is gonna present like Erica, I guess. Maybe the cousin, someone that was in the house that saw this, and then the defense is gonna be like, because it's gonna cross, like, hello Tina Marie. I don't expect this trial to be over 2 days, 3 tops. Like, it's gonna be resolved next week, I think, after jury selection, because it's gonna be black and white. Is this what happened? And that's it. The jury is gonna decide whether he's guilty or innocent, and that's it. I don't. This is not gonna be 3 weeks again. It's gonna be a week tops. Like, yeah, I think it's very black and white. It's not that different. But yeah, that's it for Darrell Brooks' friend. I'm gonna cover the trial. If something happens in jury selection, I'm gonna cover it. But if it's not, I'm not gonna make a video about it just to make a video. When we get to the trial proper, I'm gonna cover that, but not the pre-trial. I don't think a lot is gonna happen unless something happens. If something happens, you know that I'm gonna be on it. But before I go, I have another video that I want to watch with you guys. It's another body cam video that I've been watching, which is really, really funny. Let me get to it. It's you guys can watch my history. I just watch video games and stuff. But it's a body cam video about a girl that steals Victoria's Secret. Which is there you go.
No, can I go check my drawer? Is this the underwear you gave me, Mom? There.
Ohio. Police were dispatched to assist a woman in retrieving her stolen package.
So I came here.
Hello.
So this is, and I wouldn't care, but it's like $400 worth of stuff.
Okay, so $400 worth of Victoria's Secret stuff got delivered to the wrong address. So far, so good.
It won't show up, but
bye,
so
Tony.
That's their front porch. There's the package. Okay.
Oh, that little black thing right
yeah.
there.
And so you can't get to their front porch because it's gated off. So I went to the side door and I knocked. A younger girl came to the door, probably close to my size, and I asked for it. They gave me all these. We weren't even home. Blah 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 blah. And then she said, okay. I said, well, I'm going to call the police. She goes, well, you can call Victoria's Secret. And I never once said where it was from.
See? She said we can call Victoria's Secret. She knew what she was looking for. Like the girl knew that was Victoria's Secret what she was looking for.
I just had a package.
Okay, well, what's inside the package, if you don't mind me asking?
Is
it like a whole laundry list of things?
Oh yeah, like let's see if it shows the. Like all of this stuff. It's $400 worth of stuff.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
So.
All right. So $400 worth of Victoria's Secret, which is a lot. I don't shop at Victoria's Secret, obviously, but how much is one pair of things? Like $5, $10? I don't know. If is Victoria's Secret expensive? I don't really know. But should it be like 20 things? Probably.
Hello. I'm alright. So she has a package that got delivered here and she would want it back. So she has pictures that the package was in fact delivered here and it was sitting right on your porch.
That's what she said.
Okay, she's right now the mom is saying that that's what she's saying. Like basically she's saying that she's calling the other guy a liar.
Okay.
I was in bed till 12 o'clock this afternoon with my dogs, and as you can see, they're very vocal, and they were in bed with me, and my husband was not here.
Okay.
So I believe if the picture shows that the package was here, I believe her. The picture shows that it was here. But I do not know anything else.
Okay, so the first story that she's giving us is that she was asleep until 12 in the morning, in the afternoon, I guess, and her husband wasn't there, so she doesn't know anything about the package. That's the first story that she's giving, okay?
Who all lives here?
My daughter, me, and my husband.
Okay,
My
would you mind
daughter
bringing them out
was
also?
with my husband.
Would you mind bringing them out also?
Pardon?
And she's saying that the daughter was with her husband and her husband wasn't home. So no one took the package. That's the first story.
Would you mind bringing them out also? So I can explain the situation to them also.
They were in Rocky River. He
Okay.
went to get her.
Oh, perfect. There's a Ring doorbell right over there. Perfect. The house over there. Hello. Hi. So does anybody have any idea about this package that got delivered here? Because the package 100% got delivered here. She has pictures of it. We know it got delivered here at some point.
No, when we got home, there was nothing here, and I don't know who else.
Answer his question. No, I was in bed till now.
Okay, so
no one took it. No one took it.
What's going to happen is I'm giving you guys the opportunity, if you guys did take it, to just give it back. Because if you don't, I'm going to do a theft report, and all three of you are going to be listed as suspects. So
there you go. The cop is giving them an out. Like, you took it by accident, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Just give it back, and every time we can all go home.
Going to happen. There's a Ring doorbell right over there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go knock on that door and figure out who came out and picked up that package. And whoever did that's going to get charged with a theft, okay? And that's $400 worth of stuff. So either we give it back now, nobody gets in trouble, or I figure out who stole it and they're going to get charged.
There you go. He's telling me there's a Ring, which thank God for Ring doorbells. Like, I like that a lot of people have these Ring things because it's they, like with Brooks, the Ring doorbell catch the moment that he was getting arrested. So more people should have these doorbells.
That's what we're doing.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
That's how we're going to handle this?
If we find it and we know who took it, it will be returned.
All right. So now she's changing the story. You realize this? She's like, if we by some chance happen to find it, we will return it.
That's not how we're handling this. When we find out who took it, they're being charged with theft. Okay? We're not doing this, oh, you got me, I'm on camera, I took it, I'm going to give it back now.
Yes, I love this. I love this cop. I love that he said this. Like they're going to be like, oh, look at this. It appeared magically on my sofa. Like, and here it is. I'm sorry. The camera is showing that I took it. Oh, yeah, I remember taking it. Now I remember that package.
They're going to be charged with theft. I will arrest them for theft. I'm not playing around. Okay? So either give it back now, or I'm listing all three of you as suspects.
Okay.
Okay.
I will be a scary investigator. Well, I do pay attention to details a lot.
Driver's license.
Mine?
All three of them.
All right, so they were sticking with the story. They're not doing it. All right, let's see.
Is that state ID okay?
Yes, that's fine. She has proof that the packages was delivered here. And what time did that get delivered? 9:15. So sometime between 9:15 and basically, when did you first get here?
Probably like maybe 12.
And it was already gone, correct?
It was already gone, yeah.
It was already gone.
So between 9:15 and 12.
Yeah.
So they had a 3-hour window to get the package, and she said that she didn't wake up until noon. So the package should have been outside by that.
So she has evidence that it did in fact get delivered here. She tried knocking on the door and got some runaround story about them like not having it or something. There's a Ring doorbell over there, so I'm gonna try and get who came and pick up the package. So
it sounds like these people probably have it.
Most likely, yeah.
But they're not like.
They're not fessing up to it. And I even gave them the out. I'm like, if you guys just have it, just give it back to them. Nobody gets charged. If you don't, I'm gonna list all 3 of you as suspects, and then we find out who took it. They're being charged with theft. So we'll see if they come out with the package or not.
Do you know what the package is?
Yeah, it's from Victoria's Secret. It's a whole list of things, like $400 worth of stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Were these people giving you like a hard time right away?
I got an attitude from her right away.
So you're gonna take a report on this?
Yeah.
We'll probably do it.
Sure. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. You know, she ordered the things that actually got delivered here. She came to show up, was already gone.
Do you have her information?
I didn't get that for you.
I'll wait for that. So, there's probably, what is it, 3 people in
I'm kind of waiting to see if they come out with the object and be like, oh, you know, here it is.
Your package is on the way out.
All right.
Now the dad goes out. I'm sure they had this discussion inside the house, and they were like, no, we have to keep saying that we don't have it. And the dad was like, nah, I'm not going to jail for this. Just give back the package, get out there and do it. I'm sure that's how the conversation was inside there. I wish that I was a fly on the wall for that when they got back into the house.
Did you hear that?
Yes, thank
Perfect. I'd rather handle it this way.
I totally agree.
And then not to
It was opened.
not to doubt anything, but I'm gonna have her check to make
Oh,
sure
yeah,
all
no.
the contents are in
She
there.
definitely
Okay.
needs to do that.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, Katie. We watched the Darrell part. Go back into the video like 20 minutes, and you will see the Darrell Brooks part of the stream. But it's there. We watched it. Yeah, you can go back and watch it again. It's there.
And if there is anything, I mean, we can compensate if that's what needs to be done.
That'll be between you guys at that point.
I don't. I was made aware that package. Other than that, I don't know.
I love that the dad he's like, they just told me that the package was there. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not going to jail today. Like, I'm sorry. I got my Crocs on, my yellow Crocs. They're not, these puppies are not moving to jail today.
We had nothing to do with this.
All right, thank you. She's gonna make sure that all the stuff is in here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go sort of in my trunk.
Okay. I'll stand by just in case.
Who took the package?
Who took it?
Yeah, like it was on your porch and you just grabbed it, or like a mistake or something?
Well,
Sorry,
it was
this guy
grabbed
had
by mistake by my husband, and I'm the one who had it on the floor, and I never even noticed the name. I thought it was my daughter. I didn't even look.
Okay, so apparently the husband grabbed the package, put it inside the house, then the mom grabbed the package and put it in the daughter's room. So what was the story at the beginning, that I was asleep, my husband wasn't home? Where did that come from?
Because she does a lot of stuff I don't know about.
Okay.
So we did not do anything shady. I just said here without looking, because I know I didn't order it, and I just threw it at her.
Yeah, but why didn't you go with that story before? Like, you had the opportunity to say this at the very beginning when they told you, like, look, this package was here. Yeah, I took a package, I didn't know what it was, and I threw it over there. Like remember when she said that's what the photos show, all that stuff, trying to make the lady that got the package stolen like a liar. I don't do well with that.
Because I didn't look. When she heard that David would go to jail, no way. Or that I would, no way.
See, now that jail is involved, now they are like, no, we're not going to jail.
We weren't going to go to jail for her.
No, of course.
Think about 5 things.
What is she missing?
I can ask her. They're all different itemized things, so I'll have to.
She tell me?
Well, I think you need to go ask. I suspect whoever has them knows what fire they are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they're all different things.
Okay.
So I would have to verify with her exactly what things are missing because they're all different.
If she could tell me.
Just go check with her Penny, right now.
Are they going to check?
Yeah, they're
Love
checking.
that you're seeing all my good secrets.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be nosy or anything, but
She said that she has nothing else. You need to call Victoria's Secret on that one.
Okay, so now they're digging themselves deeper. Like, now they're saying, okay, you know what? I checked. There's nothing else that I don't own inside here. Like, Megan, I think that the girl's name is Megan. She's inside the house and she's like, I don't have it. Call Victoria's Secret. They didn't ship everything.
And I believe her. Because I used to order from Victoria's Secret all the time. And the whole order did not come.
Sure.
Because
Okay, hey.
she needs to check with them. She needs to check with them. I used to order Bluebills and he would give this off.
So that's what you think is most reasonable?
Yeah.
That's what makes the most sense to you right now?
Yeah, it does. Because she was scared.
That she didn't steal it?
No.
But at this point, they lost credibility. Like, with me, I don't trust anything that they say because they changed their story. Like, they didn't stick to their story. If you're gonna lie, commit to it. But now that you're changing stories, you're saying one stuff, you're saying another, so the cops are like, I don't believe you.
Separate. We're going through all
No,
this, and
I
you
told
think it's
her.
just that Victoria's
I told
Secret
her.
didn't send it?
Yeah.
yeah, but she's got the itemized
Yeah,
receipt
I
on her
understand
phone
that.
and in the package.
Okay.
She's got the itemized receipt on her phone and from the actual inside the package, and there should be 15 things in there.
I understand that. But I have actually been sent.
Okay, it doesn't matter. What they're going by what?
Okay, I know that. Megan said.
I love that the dad was just like, you know what? I'm over this. I don't have anything to do with this. I'm getting inside the house.
She didn't have them.
Okay, let's talk to Megan. Where's Megan at? Why are we even talking to you? Is Megan at all? What the hell? Get Megan out here.
Megan, get out here.
What are you doing here? This is stupid.
Megan. I ordered some bracelet from Nordstrom.
So there's like
They
a
forgot
slip in
to
the
put-
bag that has...
Yes,
They
15 things in total.
forgot to
They're
put
all
it down.
different things, so it's not like one thing is listed as quantity 1 or 2.
Hey, here's what we're going to do. We're going to give her one chance to get those other items. If not, we're hooking her up and bringing her in. I'm not playing these.
Yeah.
That's all
Oh,
that
come on. She said that
that was
I don't
all
care
that
what
was in
she
there. Victoria's had missed 7 items of my stuff.
All right, so here we go. Megan comes out. She's aggressive. She's sticking to the story. Victoria's Secret didn't ship them all. Some guy in packaging forgot to put 7 items on the order. Let's go.
All right, what's your name?
Megan's.
All right, Megan. You have one chance to get the stuff. You have 5 items still missing, or
Okay,
you want
then
to jail
if
for
they're
theft.
missing the stuff, ma'am, what do I do? What about Victoria's Secret? I go to jail for a year and package having missing items for Victoria's Secret?
That's why you don't take in packages that don't belong to you.
I didn't!
I threw it down to her, and I
Yeah.
didn't look at the name because
I
thought
had
it
ordered
was
stuff
hers.
too.
I didn't look at your name. I really didn't.
And now because Victoria's Secret's gonna miss it, I mean, I've
what was
had
the conversation
7 items
you first
missed.
That's fine.
Basically denied taking it
Calm
altogether.
Calm down.
So you denied the whole thing.
We're all set.
Wait, I wasn't even.
I don't believe that she missed 7 items. I think she took 7 items out of her package and then called Victoria's Secret and she was like, hey, 7 items I'm missing from my order. Give me my money back or give me replacements. That's what I think that happened with those 7 items, honey.
Here when it was
She
thrown down
handed
there.
me the bag, and I made sure and I went through
No,
the
David
door.
handed you.
No, wait a minute. David threw it on the floor. I
She
had
threw it
just
down the
got out
basement
of
in my
bed,
living area.
and she wasn't even here yet, and I threw it downstairs. I didn't even look at the name. And
Because she
she's
knew
the
that I
one-
had ordered Victoria's
Wait.
Secret too.
Wait a minute.
They didn't even cooperate until you threatened to arrest them. Does that
Yep.
sort of look like
Yeah,
from where I
that's
stand,
that's
right?
exactly what happened.
I didn't want my husband going to jail for something I didn't.
Well,
look
somebody's
at.
going to go to jail
promise
because you guys obviously aren't fessing up and giving all the items back.
am the
Listen,
one.
I'm
Look,
giving all the items back.
Gosh.
Everything that no, hang on, everything
We've
that
got
is in
5
that-
more that are missing.
Okay, I'm telling you, Victoria's Secret is missing that, not me.
They've done that.
You can check my underwear drawer, you can check everywhere. I have nothing but Victoria's Secret.
I get it.
Okay, so now she's telling that she's giving them permission to go check on her stuff.
If it was like one thing, but 5, come on.
They've
Come
missed
on.
7 items,
I
baby,
will
on
go
my
down
order
there.
before.
Sir,
7 items.
Sir, I will go down there and look again if you want me to.
I sure hope you do,
there.
because this is your last chance.
Wait, down there? She lives in the basement? She's one of those people that lives with her parents and lives in the basement. Like, I'm sure she doesn't pay rent.
If you don't come
I'll
up with
go
those
down
5
there.
things, you're being arrested.
Why
for
am
theft.
I being arrested?
Because
I
we're
don't
not
even
playing
know what
this
you're
game.
missing.
She's not playing a game.
I'm not playing a game. I have a kid.
Wait a minute. She's got a daughter.
Hello, David. Good morning. How's it going?
And I have a new
That
job
has
right
nothing
now.
to do with this.
Yes, it does.
Yes,
I
it
don't want to
doesn't.
go back to jail. I'll go to prison.
Oh, and she has a daughter. I'm so sorry for the daughter. Oh my god.
Why, do you understand? I'm from Victoria's
Stop
Secret.
it. Go downstairs and make sure.
I did. I
No,
checked everything.
She's going to stay
Megan's
right
staying
here.
right here.
Wait a second. Can I say something?
Man,
No.
you
I'm
know
tired
this.
of saying stuff.
This is bullshit that I would go and I was in here.
Megan, hey, stay out here. We're still talking to you.
Okay. But
she
You're
said
staying.
go back.
No,
That way.
she's not giving you. I'm giving you instructions to stay right here. Do you understand why people are? I mean,
I
there's.
understand.
Stop. I'm talking.
He's
Would
talking
you
to me.
all shut the f up?
Separate.
You
Separate.
come down
I'm
here.
tired of it.
Megan, come down. Stay.
No, I'm not
Come here.
coming out with cops. I
Come
don't
here.
trust
No.
Yeah,
You are.
they're done talking. They're like, okay, we're gonna do this now.
Why am I going to jail?
Stop.
Come on.
No, wait, don't touch me. Don't
Come
touch
on.
me. Why am I going to jail?
She won't shut up.
What am I
You
doing?
get inside.
What am I doing?
Leave
Right
No,
now.
what are you doing? Mom!
She won't hush.
Get inside.
You were yelling at why are you taking me to jail?
We're not taking you to jail. You're detaining you right now until we figure this all out.
Oh my God!
Stop yelling. Stop.
Please leave me out of handcuffs. This is not better boy out. I'm seriously gonna have an
Jill,
anxiety
stop.
attack. Ma'am, I don't have your order.
Take a deep breath.
Shut up.
And she keeps doubling down that she doesn't have the missing items.
Stop.
I don't have the order.
Where's the rest of the ship?
I don't know.
We
I
all
missed
wanna
7
leave.
items out of my order.
We-
This is not a first for Victoria's Secret.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
I have no.
She looks like she's in her 30s, maybe. She's like 35, probably, something like that. She doesn't look that young. She sounds young, but her face is like a little. But she's not supposed to be acting this way.
No reason to lie.
All of us want to leave and get on with our day. That's what we all
Do you want to get my
here.
panties up? I mean, Jesus
That's what
Christ.
we want. Where's the
Notice that she says, "You wanna get my panties off." That's gonna come back to bite her later. Let's keep going.
rest of the stuff?
I don't have them.
I don't believe you.
Can I?
Okay, thanks a lot, Mom.
No, go check my drawer, Mom. Go check my drawer.
Let's identify-
Take any underwear. What did I do? I just got here. Why are you staring at me?
I can look at you.
9, I'm sorry, what were the last 4? 220.
Huh? What?
It's nothing to do with this.
I'm freezing right now.
62-year-old male,
Cold, too.
5'11",
You're wearing long sleeves.
Still cold.
I love this officer. I'm cold too. You're wearing long sleeves. I'm still cold.
Can you move my hair in my face, please? Please.
Sorry.
So I mean, what? I mean, let me. So I
I
just got.
Victoria's
Whoa,
Secret
whoa,
has
whoa.
missed 7
I just
items
got
of
here.
my items before.
I don't
This
care about
is
that.
Not
I don't
uncommon.
care about that. But I'm just. Let me get a little
just
bit
got back.
Just let him talk.
I'm bipolar and I'm anxiety bad. I have
Take a
not
deep
taken
breath.
my
Take
medicine.
a couple deep breaths.
This is a common thing with all the people that go to jail. they're always like, "Oh, I have anxiety. I need my medication or whatever." Ah.
I don't want to be in handcuffs. Please, I'll be calm.
Okay.
Oh, Cake. This has become my obsession in the last days. I've been watching a lot of body cam videos, and they're great. Like I have tons more.
Please.
We were past that.
Brown eyes. She doesn't have a license.
No, I stay.
A valid ID. Looks like she's got a warrant for shoplifting out of Georgia.
All right, so she's have a warrant for shoplifting out of Georgia. So it seems like I start to see a pattern here. Look at the face. Look at this face. She's scared.
It's out of the pickup. They don't want it. It's out of the pickup.
They don't want you relaxed. It's 10-4.
It's out of the pickup. They don't want you.
Oh, my past actions are catching up to me, and I'm getting the consequences. Oh no, I'm so scared of that.
Okay, are you gonna be? Don't scream.
I swear, if you take the handcuffs off, I'll be cooperative.
No, we're past that point. You're just being detained for a second. It's not a big deal. Just take a breath. So let me get this straight. There's 15 items that were handed to you or thrown to you.
No, they were down there when I got home.
I understand.
Okay, so 15 items, and they were $400. How much is that? 415. So it's like $26 per item. That's expensive. My underwear is like $10 for a 3-pack.
I was just told to put them away. I just threw them out.
Listen, all I'm trying to do right now is, honestly, he showed up first. You got to talk. I really didn't get to hear the whole thing. I just want to hear a little bit more. Like,
that's all I know. See, I was just told to.
10 items.
These really hurt my wrist
the
right
items
here.
were gone through.
Stand up.
Right?
Yeah, I was.
So did you did you open them up and look through them or something?
Yeah, she told me because I guess she thought it was my order. I was literally not even paying attention. I just opened it and I threw it in the bag. That's it.
What bag?
This one right here. Yeah, because my bracelet's right there. My wrist is bigger because I've had surgery. If you notice.
Yeah, you got plenty of room in that one.
It's cutting this part
Just
right
don't pull
here.
on them, okay?
Can you please take them off? I'll be cooperative.
Just don't pull on them. Here,
Can these please be taken off? This is
just
ridiculous.
relax just like that. You'll be fine.
I cannot relax with it. You know what kind of experience I've had?
Okay, I know
My
it's like
whole
to be
life.
Just relax.
We're just trying to get things figured out.
I'm not lying to you.
Okay, and also remember, guys, now that you guys are here, if you guys, I share videos like this and stuff in my Discord, and if you guys find some videos like this, you can also share them there. Here's the link to my Discord. If you guys join and want to like share or get these videos or this kind of videos, join the Discord. We all watch them there.
What?
Okay, so when you're looking through all those items and putting them away, like you said,
yeah,
did any of them? Did it all seem like stuff that you ordered, or
I didn't even pay attention. I was just trying to. I was doing what she told me to clean the basement because I had so much shit. I just moved back in from my boyfriend's. We broke up.
Oh, I wonder why. You know, she's such a catch. I wonder why the boyfriend broke up with her.
So
just like grab them all. And
yeah, I just threw. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
So you're sure there wasn't a mistake?
Can I go double check my drawer because she doesn't know what she's looking for? I could probably tell if anything is in there.
I thought, but you just said for sure nothing in there.
I can go double check because I shoved them in there. You don't know how deep that. It's an antique drawer. You know how deep that thing goes. Can I please go double check?
No, 1 second. Because I don't know what he was talking about with your mom. So I don't know if they found them or didn't find them. I don't know what's going on with that. So I want to
just try to figure this out together.
Wait, what?
He was just talking to your mom, the other officer down there.
Yeah, about what?
I don't know what he had to say about this, but he'll stand with you. I'll ask him about it.
I would
would have never got it back if you guys didn't come here. So
Right.
she would have freely taken my stuff.
Right. So yeah. So your options here, we can go with theft, and the best evidence we have is that she took those items. Or if you think you've got most of it, and you could reach out to Victoria's Secret, explain the situation, and if they would replace it. I have no idea if they would do that or whatever. But I'm just if I'm in your shoes, those are my two directions I can go. You just got to tell us what you want to do, so we know what to do next.
And my conscience too, because this girl is trouble.
My question to you is...
So apparently the girl has a reputation. Like, Megan is known for being trouble.
Do you order stuff from Victoria's Secret frequently?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
How often do you have problems with them not fulfilling the order?
I've never. I mean, I'm an avid online shopper, so, I don't... Usually there's not stuff missing. So that's why
that's why I said to her, one thing missing, I can kind of understand.
5.
One thing missing, but 5, come on.
Right. I mean, they're a pretty legit company. So,
Yeah, exactly.
They have checks and balances. So, yeah. I mean, I think that she took my stuff and that she was going to keep it. Obviously, I mean, I said, I'm going to call the cops. And there's no way that you open up all that stuff and you don't realize what you ordered.
Right.
So she did it. Yeah, I want to press charges.
Just stay sitting. I know. Just take a breath. Just take a breath. We'll figure it out.
I promise you, Victoria's Secret has missed 7 items of my shit before. I'm not lying.
You are.
Over this?
Well, that's what we're figuring out, right?
I want to go back to jail. I'll go to prison. I'm on felony probation.
She's on felony probation. Wow. it just keeps getting better.
Oh, I see. What?
No, I think I'm off that.
Yeah, I don't think...
Yeah, I'm off. Oh, yeah, I'm not. I'm so used to being on probation. That's so bad.
Well, it's good
My
that
whole life.
Alright, she's coming in. You're coming in for theft. She's coming in. You're coming in for theft.
Why don't Mom, go check my drawer. Go check my drawer. No, can I go check my drawer? I promise you I can probably find them.
Oh, you remember where it's at now?
No, I promise.
She's now she knows that where the 5 items are.
I said they're deep.
Let's go look.
Can you take this out?
Let's go. No, you're staying in the cuffs. Let's go look.
Go with her.
Mom,
let's go.
can she go with me?
Let's go. We'll all go. How about that? It'll be a big family party. Come on.
Stop yelling.
I love that. I love this cop. This cop has been a great since the beginning. Like, this guy, good officer, give him a raise.
Please. No, I asked him if I could go in there.
I'm talking the same volume she's talking.
Okay,
No,
Megan, calm down.
She wants to take. Can you let go of me, please?
No, we can't.
They want to take me in for theft. Can you let go of my arm, please, so I can look? Can you open?
This one?
Yeah, it's an antique. That's not mine.
What?
Mom, you didn't look, because there's stuff in here that's not mine.
Where?
Right here. That one's not mine.
2,
This one's not mine.
3.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. You didn't look all the way. This is not mine. Wait.
Four.
I have a pair like this. No, that's brand new, Mom. You didn't look at this.
No, I didn't see him. Sorry.
She didn't look at that.
We should have let her.
And hang on, open this drawer. I threw some in here. This one. Oh, you gotta open both handles. They're antique. It's antique. Close this top one.
This yours?
Yeah. That's mine, Mom.
I hope that she doesn't have drugs in there because open this drawer. Oh no, not that drawer. That's
from a thrift store.
Sorry.
Mom, I told you I threw them in between shirts. Look.
Wait a minute.
Right there. No, there's one right here. I told you you didn't check. She normally checks to see how I fold and everything, and honestly,
now it's the mom's fault.
I just threw them in there. Right, the shirts, Mom. You didn't check.
And why didn't you say it?
Because I told you I threw them in between shirts so you wouldn't yell at me, and you told me no, Mom.
These are shirts.
Mom, it's towards the top where I pointed at.
Here?
You're being an airhead right there.
You know what?
I told you I threw stuff in.
It took 2 seconds to do this. Now
See what I'm saying? She yells at me for everything.
Now you won't go
She yells at me for everything. That's why.
to jail if you had just done it in the beginning. She won't go now, right?
Five more items. Is that what we got there?
It's 4.
Is there something else?
No, there's nothing else. I swear to God, here, check in
So
here.
there's just 1 item missing.
What? How did you know what she's
sure.
missing? What is she missing?
It's blurry because they're inside the house. Like they cannot show the inside of the house. So it's gonna be on blurry again.
Exactly. Does she have the order? Because I don't know what I'm looking for here.
Let's do it the easy way.
What do you mean? You don't know what you're looking for? If there's something like I know my underwear. If there's something in that underwear that is not mine, I'm gonna immediately know what is. You know?
Doesn't belong to you.
That's all my underwear. Mine. My underwear now. That's all my underwear now. So what else is she missing? She doesn't even know.
Shh, quit cussing at
You feel me? She doesn't even have her order number.
Megan,
You
calm.
are in no position to be
Calm.
talking to me like that.
I know. I'm just saying.
Yeah, good for the officer. You are in no position to talk to me like that. Yeah.
I got at you. It's like two of
You
you.
guys
Like,
both just
understand why I'm
stop talking.
frustrated.
Both just stop talking.
So get your finger off me.
Stop.
Stop.
God, I mean, are you guys serious?
We're just
Yeah,
alike.
she's bipolar. Sorry. There's 4 items here.
Of course she's bipolar.
Anxiety.
There's 1 missing.
And anxiety.
You don't
Is
want
there
to
a
touch
shirt
underwear.
or something?
No.
That's what I'm saying. No, those are
What is
all
that,
underwear.
4?
That's it.
That's 4 items.
There's no.
Right, that's it. She's just telling you, that's it. She's missing 1 item now.
Other items here.
No. Check my drawers. Check them. I've told you, all I wear is Victoria's Secret.
She wasn't lying.
We're flex.
Let's go back upstairs.
We'll go just to yeah. Come on.
Oh, can you not do that?
Wait, just,
It hurts her arm.
Yeah, because it's
Sure.
arm.
it doesn't.
You don't
He even
understand.
loostened them for you.
No, he didn't.
Well, if there's, you can put your whole finger.
Ah, no, my wrist is bad though. I have a broken
Yeah,
wrist.
your
I have a
wrist.
broken wrist.
Oh, wait for me. There.
She didn't look all the way to George on me. Please. And my bra's even Victoria's Secret.
One thing that I love is that the dad is nowhere near this. She's like, I'm not moving a finger for you. I don't care. I went up. I'm taking my nap. The game is about to begin. So you're on your own. They're in Ohio. Who plays in Ohio? Is there a football team in Ohio? I mean, I'm sure there's college.
This way.
I didn't know to look there.
I told her to look there.
Go where you were before.
I'll stay with her. You go.
Can I come out?
I'd
Yes.
rather not.
No,
really.
no, she'll keep me calm.
Please.
I'll keep her calm.
Yeah,
I'd rather not.
I'll keep
She
her
would keep
calm.
me calm. Yeah, Mom, thank you.
Put you on. Or that's gonna get you in trouble, okay?
What was that for?
You're being detained right now. I don't want you having access to your phone.
Yeah.
I was just holding
Megan,
it.
Megan.
Why am I
Shut up. Shut up.
being taken for this? I
You
just
don't-
got home with this shit.
You're not in.
This is not fair, Mom.
Stop. The neighbors can hear. You don't.
That's all you're worried about instead of your daughter going to fucking jail over this?
Megan, you're
Well,
not.
don't take stuff that is not yours. And you won't go to jail. Don't lie if you have more stuff. Like, this is the thing with this video. Everything goes south because you don't tell the truth. If you were, if at the beginning you were like, you know what? Yes, I took that package by mistake. I took some stuff out because I was checking if it was mine.
Not in a position to be talking this way. Will you please stop? You're probably not going to get in any trouble now because you gave them everything and one thing's missing from that
But you don't
order.
even know what's missing.
Shut up.
Stop.
See, this is why I don't have kids.
I don't.
Stop. Right now. Pretend like you get caught.
So there's 4 items here.
Okay.
We look, she swears up and down that that's the only thing. So what else were you missing?
So it would. So
Is
there
this
was
what you're
5
missing?
additional items. I think so. Yeah. So she probably has them on, as if they're all the underwear.
She knows. Like, she knows that she probably has them on. She knows this girl.
Right.
Which I'm not gonna $5. I'm not going to.
So,
I mean, I still think that she should get in trouble.
Yes.
I mean, she took it.
She took it, you know. I just, you know, that's bullshit.
Yeah.
To me, people, that's a lot of money that she's just gonna take, and there's no way you could just. Oh, I thought they were mine.
Yeah, I agree with her. And the whole action of her taking it and then lying. I mean, I'm sure if like I said, if they would be like, you know what, I took your package by mistake, I didn't know. But the fact that they lied a lot after it, I will press charges.
So since you have all the items back now, well, except for the one.
Which, yeah.
You still want to do the prosecution then?
And the cops are still like, you sure that you want us to do all that paperwork? Because it's work for us. Like, you have most of your stuff.
220, I was checking. I can't force you to go one
No,
way
I
or
know
another,
that, but I mean,
don't know.
she was gonna steal my stuff, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I just don't think that people should get away with that. I don't know. I don't steal people's shit.
Okay.
Completely agree. Accountability is the only way that people like that are going to if, like, let's say that she's like, you know what, nah, it's fine, I have most of the stuff back, I don't really care. The lady, the Megan, would have done it again. She needs to learn that there's consequences for the stuff that you do.
So like a yes then? Because we kind of need a definitive yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Take
it out, boys.
And I gave her the opportunity. I asked nicely, you know.
Why are we taking it now?
She was not going to.
Parking lot of
Yeah. She was not giving it back.
Yeah.
No, General.
Alright, so she still wants to desire prosecution for the one item that's missing.
Are you kidding me? I don't have it.
Again, I don't have it.
Son.
The thing is, we had to go through all of this just to even get the package
But I
back.
told her where to check. No, I told her where to check. No, don't take me in. No, wait.
What if we?
No,
What
don't
if
let
I-
go.
wait a second.
Well, we're past that at this point.
Ma'am.
What if I?
Help! You're hurting
What if
me.
I paid for the item?
Nah, we are done. You're not paying for that.
Mom!
We're past
Mom!
that.
No, hang on, let go!
Okay, what is going to happen?
Is it the underwear you gave me, Mom?
For how long?
Ma'am, is it?
Well, she
Ask
get
her
it.
if it's a pink pair of
You're gonna
underwear.
get.
Ask her
We'll
if
deal
it's a
with all
pink
that
pair of underwear. Ask her, I'm wearing them.
I'm wearing them. Like, now she remembers that she put on a brand new pair of underwear. Suddenly, after 1 second ago saying that she didn't have it.
I'm rich! I'm rich! Ask her if it's a pink pair of underwear. I'll take them off.
I'll take him off. Like, she's gonna just take him off right now and put it in her hands and be like, there you go, ma'am. Don't put me in jail. Here are your panties.
No.
No, Mom, you gave me a pink pair of underwear. Was that coming out of the package? Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Ma'am, I have them. Can you please tell her? Ma'am, I have them.
I have
Can
to.
you please? Mom, I don't have any shoes on. Mom! Mom! I don't wear. Can you please tell her?
Bring some damn shoes.
Can you please tell her? What am I being taken to jail for?
What am I being taken into jail for? We've been at it for the last half an hour, lady. You should know by now.
Why?
Which side? This side?
My mom put him in my room. Ow, you're stepping on my foot. Mom!
Take a seat.
Oh my God! Help me, Mom! Can you please tell that lady my mom gave me the pink pair of underwear? Ask her if those are it. Can you ask her before you take me in? Can you? Sir, can you?
Where's that?
The woman was taken into custody and charged with theft. If she stole your package, what would you want her sentenced to?
I don't know. She doesn't need to be taken into jail per se. Like, she doesn't. I don't think that she. I will give her like community work, like 100 out of a community work, so she can pay back society, I guess. I wouldn't put her in jail. I don't think that's necessary. but I would put her like 150 community service hours just for that. I feel really bad for her daughter. Like she has a baby. Well, I don't know if it's a baby, but she has a daughter. So yeah, I think that will be enough. I think. Oh, she also has the warrant for shoplifting. But yeah, I don't think jail is necessary, I guess. I don't know. What do you guys think? She needs jail? Like how long? Like maybe 6 months? I would like to know you guys' opinions. We are not spaying people. Jail her, Tom? How long do you think she will need to be in jail? Let's see what's the punishment for theft in Ohio. Theft, Ohio, charge. First degree misdemeanor, 6-month jail. So that the most that they can give her is 6 months and pay $1,000. She knew she stole him. She will never learn. She will do worse if she left. Yeah, I agree. She should be. They should give her like 3 months in jail, and she needs to work in the laundry department. I think that would be a fair punishment. She has to wash other people's clothes during her sentence. I don't know about a warrant. 90 days? 90 days is fair. Something that will leave. No, she said that she was out of probation. Yeah, laundry was. But would you trust her in keeping all the other inmates' laundry safe? Don't you think that she would take them? And as to fold the clothes at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, I think that would be a good punishment. So, okay, do you guys want to do one more? I can do one more. Have to do some stuff later, but I can do one more video. And I have a good one. Like I said, if you guys are not on my Discord, I post stuff like this in my Discord. Where was it? This one.
On March 25th.
All right, I'm gonna. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back real quick. Okay. Last one. Like I said, guys, if you guys could help me in liking the stream, that I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel get out to more people. But let's do one more.
2024, Flagler County Sheriff's Office received a report about a shoplifter in the Walmart in Palm Coast, Florida. A white female had bypassed the registers and refused to show a receipt for her overflowing cart. Witnesses reported seeing her transfer the items to a car and flee on foot when she realized she was being watched. Deputies located the vehicle with stolen goods in plain view on the back seat. They also spotted a woman matching the suspect's description approaching the store. Deputy Stanford approached the woman, who readily admitted to the shoplifting.
How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Awesome.
So,
I love that she's so casual about it.
okay, is this your car over here?
No.
All right, would you come over here with me?
Where?
Okay, so first lie. Is this your car? know he put the stuff in. Like, officers don't actually, like, most of the time they ask you questions, they already know the answers. They just want to know if you're being truthful.
Over in this lane.
For what?
So, we're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
Car, put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the
Yeah, that was me. Put it in a random car.
car with us?
Whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. Alright. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store and
I just put
in
it.
the
I
car?
put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in a random car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Okay, random game, put stuff in a random car. Like shoplift and then put it in the random car so the people that get to that car later have a bunch of stuff?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No.
Just for
I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
What color was it?
Silver,
Silver?
gray, something like that.
So you left your ID in some random car?
Yeah, my whole bag, all my shit.
Alright, makes sense.
What kind of bag do you have?
What kind of person? I think it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you're making me nervous.
I was here the whole time.
Where you were?
Yeah, he's in a car.
Well, I'll be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors purse. Can you go get it for me?
Okay,
What kind of vehicle were you driving?
So, can you go get my purse?
It's like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make, model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go.
It's called 21. Like, I was in Vegas and I was looking at 21. This is not 21.
Steal all the shit that you can steal and then you get out without getting caught. Well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So
she did it before. She's admitting to shoplifting before. These people are not smart.
now I gotta figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I gotta give all the merchandise back to Walmart.
Well, it's not really a game. But
It is a game.
It's theft.
to you, that's theft, though, in the state of Florida.
It's fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going
It's really fun.
to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Yes.
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of shit.
So where's
Okay.
the car at?
It's real
I
fun.
don't know.
What's your name?
It's Amber.
Okay.
And I don't find it funny. I'm just very bubbly.
Okay. Is the car yours or are you renting it?
I don't know whose car it was.
It's just some random person's
It's just a
car.
random car. Yeah, like if you walk up to this car.
Okay, how about
and
we
you
don't know?
You feel me? It's
No, I
gonna be open or
don't.
it's gonna be closed. You
No,
never know.
I don't feel you. That sounds dumb.
You just gotta try it out.
Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your
You
back.
just
for me.
gotta try.
Do you want that?
You just gotta try it out. All right. How many people in chat will go to a random Walmart, fill their cart with stuff, open a random car, and then put all that stuff in there? Like, I want to know. Is this you will try something like that? You think that will be fun or funny? I don't think so. I wouldn't do it. I don't.
What's wrong with your arm? You broke it?
My pinky is, so be careful. Oh wait a second.
Alright, we'll
But
get
you-
that. We'll get that.
We'll get
We'll
stop.
Do you have any leg checkers?
I have
No,
a hobble.
leg shackles.
Hey, I have a hobble. You do?
Actually, I'm
I was just trying to grab my phone.
We can do flex.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna put me in
For now.
shackles? Are you serious?
So
Well, you have
got
a cast on.
You just admitted to shoplifting twice. Why will they not put you in shackles?
Your arm.
Exactly.
Regular
and I got
handcuffs.
scraped up knees too.
No one said
Okay.
they're going on your feet.
So what are y'all putting shackles on me for?
You got a cast on your arm.
Oh.
It's too big for regular handcuffs.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Flex cuffs.
So, just gonna stick these back here. Alright, not too tight for you?
No, it's good.
Alright, let's go. You got anything on you?
Is that my phone that just fell?
No, that was.
And you would think that this will be it, but it gets better.
No, you're not under arrest right now. As you secure, so we can conduct our investigation.
Do you have anything else on you?
Like on you and you.
I got my vape.
Do you have anything that, say you do go to jail, that if you go into the jail and they find
And of course she vapes.
it on you later, Is there anything like that?
No, a tampon that needs to be changed. You just asked me that question.
Well,
How many times you gotta ask the same question?
All right, so I'm gonna have you go ahead and spread your feet for me.
You live around here, Amber?
No, I do come out here sometimes though.
You don't live in Palm Coast, though? Those are my gloves.
All right, you're not under arrest right now. You're being detained. All right.
All right.
So what happened? Don't want to drink? No, I'm good. So we have a random car over there.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me.
Her story unraveled further when she initially claimed the car was random, then backtracked, admitting it was her boyfriend's rental.
Hey, can y'all turn the air? Can you turn the air on?
Yeah, turn the air on.
I'll try.
Yeah, she's gonna get that for you.
Thank you.
So you have a Michael Kors purse?
Yes.
And it's in the car?
Yeah, all my shit's in the car.
Okay, what else is yours?
Can I tell you something though? I didn't mean to lie to you at first, but it's my boyfriend's car.
It's your boyfriend?
I don't mean to lie to you at first. Then what did you mean to do if it wasn't lies?
My boyfriend doesn't know that I steal. Okay. And he doesn't know that I put all the shit in the car neither.
Okay.
So, I would be really in trouble with him, but that's...
And I doubt that. Like, she's trying to get the boyfriend not in trouble, but I really doubt that she doesn't know that she steals.
That's the
So
thing.
what kind of car is it?
I don't remember, because it's a rental.
What color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random's car.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you.
Her boyfriend rented the car.
Yeah, he rented the car.
Okay, hold on one
Hang
second.
on, real quick, before we go any further, okay?
She's just gonna
you
read you
have the right to
something, okay?
remain silent.
Okay, blah, 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 blah.
Well, we still have to read it before we can talk to you.
It's like music to my ears.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide
Hello, Anne. How you doing?
time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You said yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, cool. So anyway, that's done. Like I was saying, yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all the shit that I wanted because they told me to play 21, and my boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that shit. And
how old are you that you are playing those games? I mean, there's the saying that play stupid games, win stupid prizes, you know?
I started playing the game. This is my
And
first
she looks, what, 30?
time playing the game, and I put the shit in the back of the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off. My boyfriend knows nothing about it. I don't even know where the fuck he's at.
So he's here with you now?
Yeah. If I could call him, can I call him?
What's his name, real quick?
Matt. But, yeah, he doesn't know anything about it.
No, I'm staying there.
Nope. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I have my knees scraped up.
What's
so
his
it's hurt.
birthday?
I don't know. Maybe can I ask him?
How old is he?
How do you not know when your boyfriend's birthday is? He doesn't look like a good girlfriend.
Is 35.
You know his number off the top of your head?
No, it's in my phone though.
Okay.
Oh, I get that reference, Bama. We still need to... That trial needs to start. Right? That's gonna be a wild trial.
Can I call him?
Not right now.
Well, because I need to tell him I got in trouble.
Well, we'll worry about that in a second. But right now, I need to figure out how much dollar value you stole from Walmart.
Probably a lot, because I took a lot of shit.
Okay.
So basically, you got to put everything in the cart and ring it up and find out the value of it, and then what's the next move?
And then depending on the dollar amount, is if you go to jail or not.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to jail because it's a lot of shit.
Okay.
Okay.
So what happens after that?
Well,
why do you care? That's not gonna happen yet.
if you're over that dollar amount for felony, then you will go to jail for felony amount of shoplifting. All right? You'll be booked in a Flagler County inmate facility.
Okay.
And then whatever you do from there, bond out, whatever, it's up to you.
All right, can I please call my boyfriend?
Not right now.
Okay, can I talk to the other officer?
To Deputy Sanford?
Sure.
What's that?
She wants to call her boyfriend, and I said no.
Can I ask why?
Because right now we're conducting an active investigation.
What
I'm
is the
still
investigation?
speaking.
I just told you.
I still have to confirm everything.
Yeah.
He doesn't know that I stole it.
Okay.
So he's gonna get in the car and be like, what the fuck is this shit?
Well, we're with the car right now.
Y'all are?
Yeah.
What car is it?
What car is it? Now she doesn't know.
It's a rental. I don't remember what car it was.
Okay. Well, we know what
All right,
what
but
it
yeah,
is.
can you turn the AC on?
I will. I rolled the window down
All
for
right.
you.
All right, bet.
Just with all this plastic, it's hard sometimes to get air back
Yes.
there.
Yeah, I'm just more worried about getting in trouble with him than you guys.
Why? What is he gonna do that is worse than going to jail?
And I should have took all that shit, but I did it anyway. What the f*** you looking at?
So did he take off when he saw us?
He doesn't even know about it.
He knows about it. He knows about it, and he ran away.
I took off when I saw y'all. And then I walked back up here because I'm like, well, it's either going to be him getting in trouble.
I mean, with the choice of outfit, they to be fair, they were at the Walmart, so trust me, I've seen things that I wish I didn't in Walmart.
With me, and he didn't even know anything about it. So I was like, fuck it, I'm going to leave. Can I ask why you're opening the car?
Because they need to take out the stuff. Why wouldn't they open the car? They need to retrieve the items that got stolen.
You already admitted that you shoplifted.
Yeah, and it's all in here.
Okay, but that's not my vehicle.
That doesn't matter. It was used in the commission of a crime.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It doesn't come out.
Where do you live?
I live in Sanford.
You live in Sanford?
Yeah, I was in a hotel.
So is it your boyfriend who lives
She lives in a hotel? I don't buy that.
here, or you guys just roll through?
He used to work out here. He just got fired. So.
Oh my god, it keeps getting worse. It just keeps getting worse.
We had a hotel room.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
he came to shop. We came to shop, but they told me to play a game. T told
Who is they?
me to play a game.
Who's that?
My demon.
Okay.
So he told me to play a game called 21, and I played it.
Wait, who?
And then,
Okay.
so he told me to play a game called 21, and I played it, and then I got caught.
Okay.
I have psychological problems. Like I have mental issues.
Of course you have them. I think that's you don't even need to say that.
Like bipolar, anxiety, depression, all that shit, and schizophrenia.
Okay, you start to see a pattern here. Like the Megan also had bipolar and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you
So do you have a fucking attitude on me, or are you fucking good? Because you asked me questions, but it looks like you got a fucking attitude.
What?
Are you good?
Am I yelling at you?
But you got a fucking attitude with your little prissy ass.
What do you mean?
Blink, blink.
I'm not yelling at you.
Okay, but you got an attitude.
This is just how I am.
Well, then change it. Because you meet people like me, off duty.
Okay. Is that
okay? No, it's not.
Yes, that is a threat. They always go like this as well. They're like, oh, put it. They always do this. They always be like, oh, if you didn't have a badge, you would not do this. Like this is also a pattern that I've seen.
But I'm just letting you know how the real world works.
It's not.
Okay, because you're a hard ass with that shit on, but you're not without it.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I've heard.
What's in the bag, sir? Close the door like that again, you stupid bitch.
Wow.
You're not
She went from chill and bubbly to yelling and angry in a second.
fucking hard. And that's not your fucking purpose to be an officer.
We good? Oh wow, just fell out. Look at there.
Look at all that stuff.
The stolen items were later determined to have a total value of slightly more than $1,030.
$1,000.
I mean, yeah.
Excuse me, can you take these off while I'm in the car because it's my yeah, but my pinky. Excuse me, you know how fucking awesome it is?
Huh? Yeah.
Gives a fuck anyway, it's just fucking material. Okay, wow! And she gets off from Walmart, woohoo! Roll the window down, it's hot! Oh, well, can you take this off of me? Oh my god!
I mean, if these people need to steal, why they are living in hotels and renting cars? Like that's just money. I don't know. I don't know how that works. If you need money, why are you spending that kind of money in that?
Hey Sarge, I see you're busy. That key fob next to your hand, can you just hit the door, the trunk?
The shoplifting was just the tip of the iceberg. During the search, a strong marijuana odor filled the air. In the
Of course it was.
trunk, deputies discovered a locked safe.
That's alright. We get it this way. Kill two birds with one stone.
Oh, this is in Florida. Okay, that makes sense now. That makes more sense now.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Well, that's interesting.
Yep.
I wonder where that safe comes from.
Interesting.
Did you spin it? Don't spin it. Okay, so it's on the number to open it.
It's not, I checked.
Pipe. Glass
Nice.
pipes. Oh, nice.
And then, if I had to guess,
Grinder.
no,
Okay.
we got white crystals.
Hey.
We got white crystals, bubble pipe, and a safe.
There we go.
It just keeps getting worse.
Is the safe full?
This has white crystal
Watch
in
it.
it. It's small amount, but there's white crystal in it. Meth.
And another one.
Well, don't break it.
Oh, this is just a part to that. Oh, there's definitely some stuff. This was wrapped in this red towel. We're just going to go back in.
And this is why she was telling them that the boyfriend didn't have anything to do with this.
Oh.
Another safe. So there's patches. Buprenorphine.
Yeah,
Sebastian. Whose name's on that?
That's her name.
Her name. All right. Here's
Hello,
another one.
Olivia. How's it going? We're just watching dumb people make dumb decisions.
Stop, man.
You said stop.
Watch behind you. Alright. Equal opportunity.
What's that?
Okay. Yep.
Ask her if she wants to tell you the combination.
What's that for? Traeger, unlock. Unlock. Miss Amber, do you know the combination of that safe back there?
What safe?
The safe that's in the trunk?
No.
So you don't know what's in it or whose it is?
No.
Okay.
He doesn't even. Hey, he doesn't even have a safe.
Well, there's a safe in the
He doesn't even have a safe. Well, he does now. And I wonder where that safe came from.
trunk, so...
It can't be his. What's all that stuff on the top of the thing?
What?
What's all that stuff?
Stuff that was in the trunk.
Who's safe? That's not his safe. He doesn't even own a safe.
Did you have anything in the back of the car, in the trunk?
I have my purse and the shit I stole.
Okay.
But he doesn't even own a safe.
Okay. Well, there's a giant safe back there.
Alright.
Alright.
Inside, deputies found silver and copper bars, a platinum bar, and most concerning, 4 bags containing a total of 62 grams of methamphetamine.
62
grams? All right, signal 0 right out the gate. And there's a baggie underneath there.
Got it. And there's marijuana residue.
Oh, a gun.
What's that? Oh, we got lights on.
I mean, can you transport concealed like guns in a box in Florida? Oh, is anyone here from Florida? And she's about to kick the door, right? She realized that they're finding all this stuff and is trying to get away with it. Look at all that stuff. It was like a little infirmary. Like it was. They have a scale, so that's a scale right there. So they were selling that stuff.
Wait, what was in here? We know? I don't care. What's going on?
Oh!
Hey guys. Make some music, turn off the discussion. Where's your car at? Oh,
Hey, this is really jerking on my arm.
Okay, you should have done what you did.
What?
So,
What did I do?
you wouldn't be in the back of the car.
Oh, Olivia, you have something to tell us? Do you know this operation?
Car, if you didn't take all
Can I at
this
least
stuff.
stretch for a second?
Yeah, we're gonna go over to my car.
My boyfriend says I can't.
I will think that she will run from this. She will try to make her get away from it.
Like, it's really hurting my arm. It's jerking my arm.
So where's she at? Like that?
I don't know. Probably shopping.
So, we've been out here for like an hour. You know,
Oh my god.
or anything?
I don't have my phone. Can I have my phone?
No.
Can y'all loosen these?
I
just adjusted
Can
it,
I just
man.
stretch for a second?
Yeah. You got a couple of seconds. Then we gotta get you out
It
of here.
just really hurts and it's like cutting off my circulation because of my pinky.
So turn your hand.
Where?
It's cutting off my circulation because of my pinky? What?
There you
Like
go.
that.
But it's still hurting my arm.
Okay, there's nothing I can do about it.
Can y'all just take me to the thing then? Take
That's
me
where
to
we're
jail?
going.
Awesome.
The woman's game landed her in the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility facing a hefty $34,000 bond.
I don't live out here, so how am I gonna get home after court? Will they give me a bus ticket or something?
How am I gonna get home? She thinks that they're gonna be like, hey, we're gonna call you an Uber. We're gonna get a cop car and we're gonna take you home after. She thinks that she's gonna go home after this. They put a 34,000 bond in her name. You're not getting out. I love this. I love this kind of videos because they show you the extent of what bad people will go to try to get out of situations and not be accountable for their actions. But yeah, whew. All right, that was fun. Thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Tomorrow night, we are gonna have movie night on the Discord. So if you guys wanna watch a movie with me, join the Discord. I'm gonna be there at 6 p.m. Pacific. So that should be 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central. So if you guys wanna watch a movie with Jester, you're welcome to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.